Hello guys, today me and my cousins are going to my favorite place ever, my village. We are going to do lots of fun stuff there. So watch till the end to find out what we're gonna do. Let's go to the village. So guys, we just left the house. As you can see, the area we live in is very beautiful. The streets are very clean and clear and there's lots of people walking. The trees are beautiful and the streets are very tidy. We are entering into my village. I love this place. This is the village main road. This is the name of my village, Chakri Wakila. We are going into this very big house on the left hand side. So we are in the house. It's very beautiful and massive. Guys, we are in the village and this is a horse. We can't go near it because it kicks you whenever you go near it. At the back of the house there's lots of farm machinery and animals, including horses, goats, buffaloes and dogs. I was scared of the buffalo that was loose, so I was running away. This is a farm and as you can see, because there's lots of animals. And there's a guard dog there and another horse. This is the evening view of my village. This is the main reason I love this place. This is a road to another farm we're going to. Look how green and beautiful this village is. Guys, as you can see behind me, there are lots of baby puppies. They are super adorable. Behind me are lots of animals. The guard dog was protecting the animals from me because he thought I was about to steal them. He is the owner of this farm, also my uncle. There are tractors and look at the chickens sitting on top of the tractors. There's a baby goat. There are lots of bricks because my uncle is expanding this farmhouse and there's more baby goat. Guys, as you can see, there's lots of baby calves. First I was scared to pet a baby calf, then I started slowly petting it. It was a nice experience. Guys, there's lots of greenery behind the farm. Guys, this is the rooftop view of farm animals. They're so cute and beautiful and a little bit scary. I'm coming to the rooftop to see this view. This is the view of my whole entire village. It's very big and beautiful. There's a donkey that my uncle uses for carriage. So guys, behind me is my whole entire village. And I hope you all enjoyed my video. See you in the next one. Bye.